Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you as always. And to my non-subscribers, subscribe and join the fun. For this first craft, we want one of these wood hanging decor pieces and a garden dish. I will remove this, take my E6000 hot glue and adhere it to my dish and let that dry overnight. Now that this is dry, I will clean it with alcohol one more time before I paint it. And I will mix some black with some white to get me a dark gray color and paint it. After your paint is dry, mix black and white again, and this time you want a lighter shade of gray. And I'm just going to take a piece of sponge and just dip it in there and just start on the bottom here, and just start dabbing it on until everything is covered. And then we will repeat the same process with silver acrylic. You can see this is still drying, but I'm loving how it turned out. And I did grab this wood plaque from the Dollar Tree and I did it. You can see I have too much silver here, but that's fine. I plan to put something on here, I just don't know where or what. Next, but this one I do want to give it that rusted look, not on the bowl. So I'm just going to take my antique wax, just a little bit, and just brush it on the side, just to give it that antique look. Oops, I meant to grab a piece of towel. Just kind of rub it off. I finally figured out what I'm going to do with this. I found this coffee sign at the Dollar Tree, so I will pop this off and paint it black, attach it to there, and take some rub-end transfers, and I'm going to use this 5 and this C and trim probably one of these eyes down to make my 5-cent sign right below my coffee, and that project will be done. As you can see, this is cardboard, so be careful getting it off. You can see I left most of my C&O cardboard on the bottom. And this is how the bowl turned out. I'm loving this. And just to show you a comparison between the bowl and the one with the antique wax on the edges, that's what it looks like. And I'm loving my little coffee sign. I did take a black paint pen to the 5-cent sign because the rub-on transfers just was too light for me. So I'm loving this. Okay, on to the next craft. For this next craft, I will take this sign, it's 11 by 11, and I will paint this side chalk white. You will notice I just gave it a quick light coat, and I did not cover up my holes because I plan to remake my hanger. Now I will add this calendar page to here, but I will not be using Mod Podge. I will be using Waverly's matte varnish. It doesn't have as much water, so I really like that. So let me adhere this calendar page to this, and I'm not sure which calendar page or calendar this came from, maybe the Be Kind or something, but I know it's not the Farmer's Market. Now that my calendar page is adhered to my board, I was going to poke the holes out and attach my jute hanger, but I forgot I have paint sticks. You can get these at Home Depot for 98 cents or Walmart. And I just cut them at a 45-degree angle, use some wood glue, and then my antique wax. So I will glue this like this, but I want to give this some more definition. So I will take these flowers, break them apart, cut off these little end pieces right here, and just hot glue them just a tad bit all around my wreath. I think that's going to look so pretty, and that project will be done. Oh my goodness, I am loving how this turned out. I love how it created that depth perception. Loving this. Okay, on to the next craft. Let's make an easy craft. 7-inch vase, a pot. You get 2 of these at the Dollar Tree for $1, and 1 of these laser cut, and a candle. And I always trim my candles to like a 1/4 inch. The first thing I will do is I'll take one of these and gently bend it so it fits perfect on your glass. And then I will super glue this down, throw my pot with my candle in there, and call it good. And there is the finished project. I am loving this. And you can always put flowers in there, but I just love the simplicity and the ease of this craft. Until next time, take care of yourself and one another.